The pandemic isn't stopping a pup from doing its job the way a therapy dog is bringing joy to a South suburban nursing home. A beloved therapy dog is still bringing smiles to residents in a South suburban nursing home, even though we are all socially distanced. Snowball works with Dr. Samara Crudup from Integrated Rehab Consultants. The dog is taking part in weekly telehealth visits with residents at Beecher, Manor. Yeah, there's the video. Administrators there say they can see the residents expressing pure joy as they interact with Snowball on their screens. Dr. Crudup is on the other side of the screen, and they now look forward to signing on every week to see Snowball. Coming up next, those